What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are doing fast shutter iPhone photography. I have an iPhone XS, same camera as the X and the XS Max. The Pro is a lot better, but you can also do this on pretty much any iPhone that there is. Whew, these things are dirty. Wow. That is bad. Oh my word. First impression. Engaging is on my agenda. So I'm thinking, if they're coming up the silk climb right now, I can come around over to here and maybe get some dirt flying off. I don't know, my phone, and then maybe get them climbing up this hill from right down there. So let's see what I got. Okay, he's gonna come up this hill now, right here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm clicking down. If you hold down on the shutter button on the camera, you'll get a super fast shutter speed. It's not very fast, but it's fast enough to get a shot. I'm not sure if it's working right now because it keeps going to live mode, and it's kind of annoying, but you know, we're trying it. Okay, now, so we're heading to the next spot now. Hopefully I catch them because they're going around too. So my idea for this shot is there's a super big corner right here. I'll show it to you in a minute. And I don't know, I'm hoping they'll get enough speed to go around it super fast because I feel like that'd be really cool to get some dirt on there, possibly. Here it comes. Oh, you just put dirt all over me on that freaking corner right there. Okay, I'm gonna go edit these. Let's see how it goes. If you engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. Okay guys, for all the tools that I use just the normal standard camera on the iPhone. I had all my photos in Lightroom on my phone. I also had all my videos on my phone. So yeah, those are all I'm gonna show you all the photos right now that I had, and yeah. So I really liked the shot. The shot turned out really nice. You know, like there's nothing like special about it, but you know, like the dirt's moving, the tires, you can see that they're blurred out, which means that they're spinning, and like there's a lot of action going on in the shot itself. Go check out my Instagram, Danny's Random Shots, and that's Danny's Bucket Shots, and that's Danny's _bucket _ shots. Danny's Buckets. No, yeah, Danny's Bucket Shots. Yeah, okay. The first one is it. Make sure you guys go check that out. Give me a follow. Maybe we can do a collab and we can go do a photo shoot sometime. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out my last video and leave a comment below if you like the content. Maybe give me some ideas or other things or other videos I could do on. Yeah. See you next time.